You've forgotten your PIN, pattern, or password. Now, we are going to have to reset. This is a Nokia C210. Looks like this. Has texture. And no matter what you do, you just can't remember. You try and try and try. And you just can't remember your PIN, pattern, or password. We have to reset the phone. Let me show you how to do it. All right, to reset your Nokia C210, we have to first power the device off. Power off. Power off. Yeah, I'm going to wait an extra. There, it vibrated. It's off. I'm going to wait one more extra second. Now, to get started, we are going to hold the volume down and power. Volume down and power at the same time. I like to push volume down first. And then as soon as you see these menus, you let go. Now, make sure that you're going to use volume keys. Make sure that you stop on recovery mode. If you go too far, just scroll all the way around again and recovery mode. Now press power for OK. We're going to wait a few more seconds. We're waiting for the no command fallen Android. Show up here in just a second. At the no command fallen Android, we have to do another button combo. We're going to hold power and quick touch volume up. Hold power, quick touch volume up, and now we are at the Android recovery menu. At the Android recovery menu, scroll with volume keys to wipe data factory reset. Remember that you 100% still need to log in with your Google, Gmail, or the original email if you've set up this phone with your account. And there's no bypass. You 100% will need it. All we're doing is we're factory resetting the phone and we're resetting the screen lock. All right, let's press power for OK. Also, it's going to erase everything, every app, contact, picture, everything. Scroll down once, factory data reset, press power for OK. And your phone may take many minutes or just a few seconds to get that data wipe is complete. Now it is safe to reboot the system. Press power for OK. Hey, if this has helped you, please like, please subscribe, and please watch this video next.